it's your girl Yaya, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but you know, I gotta get right. I ain't got no excuse this time. But today I am doing a unboxing video featuring Canvas Beauty. Oh my god. Canvas, oh my god. Featuring Canvas Beauty. Sorry if you guys hear a Spanish concert downstairs, but clearly they blasting a party. So anyway, today's video is going to be an unboxing, and the brand is called Canvas Beauty. Sure, I don't know if you guys heard of a Stormi Steele, but she's a girl boss, a motivational speaker, and she seems like, you know, she has a good product. I decided to test it out. I seen her Instagram, I believe it's Canvas Beauty brand or something like that. I can leave the description below. But I seen her with brands, and I did some little reviews, and it seemed like a good product, so here I go. So on her Instagram, I seen like some people complaining about how long it took to get their product. Wait for a month or probably longer, or maybe shorter. But I did see that people were complaining, but then I see that some people got it. But hopefully it wasn't because she had they were her ambassadors. So I don't know, we'll see how this product goes. But let me know if you want me to review any other product about, and it is not sponsored by her at all. I bought these with my own money. So this is, I brought some conditioner. Don't look at my nails. And it's called Full Bloom Amplifying Conditioner. I also brought this Full Bloom Amplifying, can I speak? Amplifying shampoo. But it's a nice packaging. Then the final was the Canvas Care Blossom Serum. And I've seen a couple of videos, because I like to look at videos to see how the product is really going to be working. But honestly, I don't see anybody like doing consistent videos just to show the hair growth. Only like one person, but I still feel like that was just to promote the brand and product. But anyway, you get these cards here. Team Becky, take the pledge. Team Becky, congratulations, you taking the pledge. So I guess it's like a, you know, welcome. And then also a thank you card. Nice packaging. I would definitely do something like this with my own product. Before I was going to purchase this product, I was looking to see how the shipping was, and I got a little, you know, negative saying under the, I guess, the page, but I ordered it anyway. You know, you never know for yourself until you order it. So mine came in within a week, and I've already used some of the serum. I haven't used the shampoo or conditioner yet, but I plan on doing that. So I'm going to try to stay consistent and see my growth and strength in my hair, because I really do need hair. Cool. I'm just gonna because I haven't smelled it yet. It smells like bubblegum. Some bubblegum. The shampoo smells like bubblegum. There's no smell. Oh, it smells like flowers. It smells good. Now the serum, I'm gonna say this. It smells a little like a grandma. Like a grandma smell. Like mauve. I don't know how to explain the smell. but it smells like, I can't even explain the smell, but it smells like castor oil. I mean, that's what's in it. There's castor oil, vanilla, senescence, capsicum, let's say that. Something with a CO, chromozyme. These are the ingredients, but I mean, you can go on the website for yourself. These are the ingredients, but I mean, you can go on the website for yourself and look at them, but so far, so goodly. I need to look up these words because I don't know what none of these are, except for like, you know, the basic castor oil. But anyway, let me know what other videos y'all want me to do. I'm trying to be consistent in 2020 and really grow my channel and really get out here and, you know, shut up. Nyla, my cat, is annoying. You see me shooting a video and you want to be like, anyway, let me know in the comments what other type of videos you would like me to do. I definitely am down to do some hair reviews, product reviews, some challenges. I'm thinking about doing Gucci on a budget as well. So just let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. Yeah, I need some good ideas. I need these videos to be coming all week, all 2020. Also, I'm going to start doing post notification shout outs. So make sure you hit that bell, please. And I will definitely be shouting those people out that are doing that. So definitely hit that bell. Thank you for your support. And also, I need to do a follow-up video on my surgery that I had last May, ESG surgery. So stay tuned for that. I kind of fell off with following it, so I need to get back on this ASAP because my year is coming up and I'm not where I want to be. But I'm still here. So mukbangs, trying to do videos with other, you know, collaborations. So maybe a boyfriend tag, but you know, he's acting crazy, so I said pick another boyfriend. No, I'm just kidding. I gotta do it this year. I want to do it this year. I don't want to just keep talking about it. So anyways, I did register my business name. Those of you who know, prettyclassybeauties.com is coming soon. I have to reconstruct my website, but it is coming soon, and inventory is coming, extensions, etc. I'm going to let you know what else I'm selling, but I will be starting with extensions. So stay tuned, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. My business page is pretty_classy with the E_beauties, and that's my Instagram, pretty classy